Hey, so what you are actually doing is, well, we have a scene like this, and you go into UV map, you see UV stuff, right? You can change it however you want, and you see that's the thing. And when I go to texture paint, you see that? Probably, maybe it just lies over your perfectly grid, and you barely can see it, but you can see it here. And when I create a new one, yeah, black should be fine. See, and that is the UV. You have to be careful because you can change your... I'm always forgetting where it is. It should be here. Now you can create new UV maps, so be careful that you always have this one selected. Because when you create another one, and then you can switch between them. Is also the default UV? Oh yeah, it starts with the default one. But yeah, you can change this for example, and then you can go back and you can switch between them. You can use different styles and can overlay the stuff later in the shading editor. But as you can see, it just works, right? This is like this is the way it should work. And this way you can then paint and create your stuff whatever you want. Typically. And you see where it is just nothing in theory. That is how it works for me, not sure. And here you can also deactivate and activate it. Maybe your color is strange, and I don't know how to change the color of these lines. I don't think there's a possibility of that, but maybe somewhere. I mean, you can also show it here. You can also deactivate it here, right? But I'm not sure if you can change the color of it. I don't think so. So yeah, good luck with it.